In this video, we have the discussion of house price prediction. So by using linear regression machine learning algorithm, we are going to predict the price of a house. Okay, so this is a data set they have provided. House, 4 houses, the square feet that represents the size, then the rooms, total number of rooms in the house, then the price. Okay, so now from this data set we have to define the linear regression equation. Okay, then we need to estimate for the given value, we need to predict the price of the house. Okay, for the given value of square feet and 3 rooms, we need to predict the price. Okay, so here we need to consider the independent variables as x1 and x2. Okay, so the price value is y. So this y that depends on x1 and x2. Okay, so the first thing we need to consider is the x value. Okay, we already knows that it can be defined with the formula of beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2. Okay, so this is the equation for that prediction. From this only we find the equation of the prediction of the regression line. So first we need to write the x value. So the first column is always 1. Okay, so the second one, so why it is always 1 means the coefficient for beta naught is 1. So it is always 1. So the next column is x1. For beta 1 the coefficient is x1. So here it is a x1. So we have written here. Then the next one is x2. So this is x2. That's why we written x2 here in this column. Then y. It is the price value 45, 55, 65 and 80. The formula for the beta to find out that value is x transpose x whole inverse into x transpose y. Okay, so first we need to find the x transpose x, then the inverse, and finally multiply the term with the x transpose y. Okay, so this is the first step. We need to compute x transpose x. So from the x we can write x transpose by converting the row into column and the column into rows. So x transpose and multiply that x transpose with x. So this is the matrix we getting while multiplying. Then we finding x transpose y. Okay, so we multiply that x transpose with the y value. Okay, by matrix multiplication we can done. Then we obtain this value. Okay, now we need to find the inverse of this x transpose x. Okay, so we can consider this term as a. Okay, and in mathematical we know the formula for finding a inverse is 1 by modulus of a into adj a. Okay, so this is how the determinant of a has been find. It is find as 1,60,000. Then the covariance matrix, which is nothing but the adj a. It has been find by this matrix, this 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to multiply this term and divide it with this determinant of a. So 1 by mod a into adj a. This is nothing but the covariance matrix. Okay, so now what we need to do is we have to product this inverse term with this x transpose y. Okay, so actually this represents the x transpose x the whole inverse. We need to multiply this term with the x transpose y. Okay, so then we will get the beta value. Okay, so when we product these two terms, this term and this term, we can get the matrix. First one that represents beta naught value, and this is beta 1 and this is beta 2. Okay, so now the regression equation it is find by, so this is that final the predicted output as we already mentioned. So this is beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2. Okay, so this is the beta naught value we find, then beta 1 value into x1 plus beta 2 into x2. Okay, so now we need to predict the price of a house for the given value of x1 and x2. So you substitute for x1 this 1200 square feet. Okay, then for this x2 you substitute 3. Okay, then we predict the price of the houses 61.25 lakhs. Okay, so this is how we can predict the price of a house. By using linear regression we can able to predict the changing value. Okay, thank you.